Bharatiya Janata Party and the families of our Karyakarta contributed almost 1,80,000 Mekhela Sadar, 1,80,000 T-shirts and 1,50,000 mosquito net for the flood affected families of Sibsagar, Saraideo, Golaghat and Jorhat district. This effort is entirely from the party and amount has been collected from the grassroots level Karyakartas. This small help I think will be accepted by the people in that 4 districts. We will continue our effort as party to help the flood victims in the days to come also. This effort will be ongoing and we will continue to make such effort to help the flood victim family of Assam.